Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac. Today we're going to be adjusting the track bar. If you look closely, you can see that this tire pokes out a lot more than this one, so the alignment's just kind of messed up. Hopefully this is a quick video, but you know how it goes with the Jeep. Let's get to it. Here's the track bar. We're going to drop it down, and then we're going to steer right to left and hope it corrects itself, or centers itself, I guess. Oh God. Golly, this is so heavy. Now I can't get it off. Yay. Okay. Oh, why does that have to be so heavy? There should be a girl version. Oh, that's hot. Gonna have to use a hammer, huh? Track bar's out, no thanks to me. I need to learn how to use my muscles. My arm was literally shaking with the sledgehammer, so that's yay. Okay, so now, we're gonna turn the wheel lock to lock to see if we can get it to center itself. Wish me luck. Fun fact, you should definitely start the car before you do that instead of trying to manhandle it and let the power steering came right out that reservoir. All right, so now it looks pretty centered. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's way better than it was. What we're gonna do is adjust the track bar by twisting it to get it to go shorter or longer to get back into that hole. So hopefully it doesn't fight us as much as it did the first time. All right, everything's in. Do you know what that means? The front end is done. No, it's not, it's not. We still have to put a sway bar in. We also have some sway bar disconnects, so that way we can take it off easy for when we go on the trails, or put it back on for like riding down the road so it's not so sway. Let's see, so, and then in the back, we think we have a fix for where the shocks are welded in, something that'll go in to the hole and mount the shock on, but we'll see if they did something else crazy under that weld. And then on the Corvette, it is car show season. We're gonna hit a car show tomorrow, but for today, we're gonna actually tune it before the car show. Other than that, we don't have really a whole lot else going on in the garage. I really want this Jeep to be done for the summer. I need to do something in life. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if there's something you want to see, but otherwise I will see you next week.